Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is your Spanish educator Krishna. So in this video we will learn some conversation for word for beginners. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. Here you can see, as is usual, some of Spanish word with the English word, and here it is some Indian word or Hindi word. Okay friends, so let's start. Hello, hola. Hello means hola. Next one, how are you? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Next one is I am fine. Estoy bien. Estoy bien. And you? Y tú. We will write y two, but we will pronounce y tú. Okay friends. Next one is I am a little tired. Estoy un poco cansado. Estoy un poco cansado. Okay friends, a little means un poco. Next one is, do you speak Spanish? Háblase español. Háblase español. Next one, yes, I speak Spanish. Yes means sí, I speak. Hablo Spanish, español. It means sí hablo español. Yes, I speak Spanish. Do you speak English? Hablas English. Hablas English. Yes, a little. Yes means sí. A little means un poco. Sí, un poco. What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? Okay friend, what's your name? Next one is, my name is Raj. Mi nombre es Raj. As you know, my means me, name is nombre, is means as, Raj, Raj. Mi nombre es Raj. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. It means mucho gusto or mucho gusto. Both, you can speak both. Next one is, what are you doing? ¿Qué estás haciendo? We will write Q, but we will pronounce ¿qué? Okay friends, ¿qué estás haciendo? It means what are you doing? Nothing, nada. Nothing means nada. Are you free? ¿Estás libre? ¿Estás libre? Okay friends, ¿estás libre? Sorry, I forget to write the Hindi words. Now I written ¿estás libre? It means are you free? I hope you are understanding little bit. Next one is, yes, I am free. Yes means sí. I am means estoy. Free means libre. Yes, I am free. Sí, estoy libre. What do you want to do? ¿Qué quieres hacer? ¿Qué quieres hacer? It means what do you want to do? So thanks for watching my video friends. In my next video I will give you some more interesting conversation words of Spanish. Till then, Bye bye, friends.